Hi, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 4.1, rational functions and asymptotes, right? What do you mean by asymptotes? You already studied in the school, right? Asymptotes is a line that continually approaches a given curve but does not meet it at any finite distance. That's the main idea of asymptotes, right? So in this exercise, we are going to study two things. One is vertical asymptotes and the second one is horizontal asymptotes. Okay, right. For vertical asymptotes, we are going to study one rule. For horizontal asymptote, we are going to study three rules. How many rules we are going to study? 1 and 3. Okay. For vertical asymptote, what is the rule? You're going to make the denominator is equal to 0. Denominator means down. Make the denominator is equal to 0. Then you're going to find x from this. This is called what? Vertical asymptotes. What about horizontal? Horizontal means you have to follow three rules. The first rule is if the degree of up means numerator. I say up means numerator. Easy word for you. Down means denominator. Denominator is what? Down. So numerator of up is less than, degree of up is less than degree of down. Okay. And the second situation, degree of up is equal to degree of down. This is the second situation. And the third situation, degree of up is more than degree of down. First of all, let me ask you one question. What is degree? In the first exercise, you studied P1. Degree means what? Highest power, or you can say simple word, big power. Remember all of you, big power. Yes. So if the big degree of up, so just see the degree in the numerator and degree in the denominator, up and down. Just see the degree in the numerator, degree in the denominator. Similarly, degree in the numerator, degree in the denominator. Usually you find this word as difficult. That is why I'm using up and down. In this situation, what is the answer for horizontal asymptote? If it is less, you're going to write simply y equal to 0. Without looking into the problem, directly write y equal to 0. If it is more, just write answer no. No horizontal asymptote. These two things are very easy. Suppose if the degree is equal in the numerator and denominator, you're going to use one rule. What is that? Y is equal to, just put a fraction, leading coefficient in the denominator. What is that? Leading coefficient in the up divided by leading coefficient in the denominator, that is down. Okay, right, that is in what? Down. So leading coefficient, what do you mean by leading coefficient? Leading means leader. Leader means what? Big power. Coefficient means what? Mu'amal. So you're going to take the coefficient of the big power in the up in the numerator, and you're going to take the coefficient of the big power in the denominator. That is this. Every places you should write y is equal to, and his answer is no. Right. Let's go to the question quickly. We will solve this. It's a small exercise. So you can expect one question in the final exams, in the quizzes, everywhere. Find all vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the graph. Okay. So what is the question? They are asking vertical and horizontal asymptotes, right? Asymptotes, sorry, not tot, asymptotes. So now y is equal to, that is f of x equals what? 4 divided by x square. What is the rule I gave for vertical asymptotes? For vertical asymptotes, right? The formula is make the down is equal to 0. What is your down here? Down means denominator, that is x square. So x square equal to 0. And then find what I gave you, find x. What is your x value? If x square is 0, x is equal to what? 0. So this is the vertical asymptote. And what is the horizontal asymptote? Horizontal asymptote is, we have three rules. All the three rules are what? Based on degree, right? Based on what? Degree. Yes. So what is the degree in the numerator? NR. What is the degree in the denominator? Degree means what? Highest power. What is the highest power here? 0. So degree in the numerator is 0. What is the degree in the denominator? Which is 2. 0, 2. What is the thing? less or equal or more. 0 is less than 2. So it means rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? If the degree up less than degree down, answer is what? Y is equal to what? 0. So the answer is y is equal to 0. Just write y is equal to 0. Clear? Right. Let's go to the next question. The next question is find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the graph. So what is given? F of x equals 3 minus 7x divided by what? 3 plus 2x. So first we are going to find out vertical asymptotes, right? Vertical asymptotes. What is basic vertical asymptote? Make the denominator is equal to what? 0. So 3 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to what? Minus 3, right? 2x is equal to what? Minus 3. We want to find what? X. So x equals negative 3 over 2. Clear everybody? Right. Now what we are going to do next one? We are going to find horizontal asymptotes. Horizontal asymptotes. So how do you find horizontal asymptotes? For this we need degree in the up and for we degree in the down. Clear everybody? What is the degree in the up? Big power. It is 1. What is the degree in the down? It is big power. It is also 1. It is also 1. Is it equal or less or more? It is equal. If it is equal, what is the rule? Y is equal to leading coefficient in the numerator up divided by leading coefficient in the denominator which is down, right? Who is leading? Leading means the big power. Big power mu'amal. Big power mu'amal in the up, big power mu'amal in the down. Look at the question everybody. He is the big power. What is his mu'amal? Minus 7. And this is the big power. Who is the mu'amal? 2. So minus 7 and 2. So y is equal to minus 7 by 2. Clear everybody? So easy. Right. Let's go to the next question. Next question is find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the graph. Whenever in the numerator quadratic, denominator quadratic, it means try to get the answers. If there is a common answer, cancel it and then try to find the vertical asymptote. What do you say, teacher? For example, you go to calculator. This is the question. Minus 4x square plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 3. Go to the calculator. If you go to the calculator, this one, right? 4x square, right? 4x square. 1 minute. Question number 4. Question number 3, I missed it. Yes, sorry. I missed the question number 3. Sorry. Question number 3, I missed it, right? So, which is x square divided by x square minus 1. So, if you go to the calculator or without calculator, you will get 0, right? Here, what is the answer? Here it is 1 and minus 1. If you go to the calculator mode 5, 3, give this one, you will get what? 1 and plus. Is there any common number here? Common number. So, if there is a common number here, be careful. In that situation, your answers will be different. So, let me explain one problem also in the last, don't worry. Right. Now, first thing is we are going to find out what? Vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptote we are going to find. So, vertical asymptote, what is the thing? Make the denominator is equal to 0. So, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Go to calculator mode 5, 3. A, B, C. What is your A? 1. What is your B? 0. What is B? Mu'amal x. Is there x is there? No. So what is your C? Your C is negative 1, not plus 1, negative 1. So what happens? You will get x equals plus 1 and x equals minus 1. Clear everybody? Right. Now we are going for what? Vertical asymptote finish. Now we are going for horizontal asymptote. So what asymptote? Sorry, again and again I'm making mistake. Asymptote. So we are going for horizontal asymptote. So for horizontal asymptote, what is the rule? You need to see the degree in the up numerator and degree in the denominator which is in the down. What is degree in the numerator? X power 2. So it is 2. What is denominator? 2. So this is also 2. This is also 2. It is equal or not equal? Equal. If it is equal, what is the rule? Y equals leading coefficient in the numerator, that is in up, and then divided by leading coefficient in the denominator, leading coefficient in the denominator, which is what? Down. Okay, right. So y is equal to, who is the leader? He is the leader. He is the leader. He is the leader, right? So what is the coefficient? This is the question. Yes, this is the question. So who is the leader? Leader is this one. What is mu'amil? 1. Who is the leader? This one. What is the coefficient? Mu'amil? 1. So y is equal to what? 1 by 1. Which is equal to what? Y is equal to 1. Clear? Right. Y is equal to what? 1. Clear, everybody? Next, we go for the next question. Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Okay. Just go to the calculator, this one. If you go to the calculator, mode 5 and then 3. If you go there, give the input A -4, B 0 and then 1. So if you go it in the calculator, you will get the answer half and -1/2. I got in the calculator. Again go to this one, mode 5 3, and you will get this one. You will get x square. You will get complex root. You will get complex roots. So there is no common term, right? No common number. So leave it. No common number is there, leave it. If there is a common number, be careful. Okay, right. So now what we are going to do, we are going to find vertical asymptotes. So vertical asymptotes. So what is vertical asymptotes? Make the denominator is equal to 0. So what is that? X square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. So go to calculator, mode 5 and 3. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 3. If you go to the calculator, you will get x equals -1/2 plus root 11 divided by 2i. X equals -1/2 minus -root 11 divided by 2i. Is it okay? So look at your answers. Your answers are not real. Clear, everybody? Answers are not real. It is complex. So only vertical asymptotes are real. Keep in your mind. Okay. So no real values, or you can say no real zeros or no real roots, whatever it is. So the answer is no vertical asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes. Keep in your mind. Let's go for the next one, horizontal. Okay, right. For horizontal asymptote, what is the formula? You need to see the degree in the up and you need to see the degree in the down. So what is the degree in the up? Degree in the up is, I think it is 2. Yes, 2. Denominator also 2. Degree also 2 in the up and the down is also 2. Is it equal or not equal? Equal. If it is equal, what is the formula? Y is equal to leading coefficient. Leader mu'amil. That is called leading coefficient. Okay. Leading coefficient in the up. Up means numerator. Right. And then leading coefficient in the down. Down means what? Denominator. So y is equal to, who is the leader? He is the leader. So what is its mu'amil? -4. So this is -4 coefficient. Okay. And who is on the down? This is the leader. What is the coefficient? It is 1. So which implies 4 is equal to -4. Clear, everybody? Clear, all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Find all the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the graph f of x equals x square minus 3x minus 4 divided by 2x square, right? Divided by 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Both x square, x square. So go to the calculator. Just mode 5, 3. If you go, you will get 4 and -1. In the down, you will get -1/2 and -2. Is there any common number? No. So no common number. So no need to worry. You can start the procedure. So vertical asymptotes. So for vertical, what is the formula? You're going to make the denominator is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0, right? So go to the calculator, mode 5 and then 3. So what is your A, B, C? 2, 5, 2. So if you go to the calculator, your x1 is equal to negative half and x2 is equal to minus 2. So this is your vertical asymptotes. Right. Let's go for horizontal. For horizontal, you need to go for the degree, right? What is the degree in the up? And what is the degree in the down? So degree in the up is what? It is 2 because x square. Just now we got it. Degree in the down is also what? 2. Is it equal or not equal? Yes, it is equal, right? If it is equal, what is the formula? Y is equal to leading coefficient. That is leader mu'amil in the up divided by leading coefficient in what? Down. So y is equal to, right? Who is the leader here? The leader is this one. Leader mu'amil 1. Who is the leader here? Mu'amil 2. So it is y equals 1 by 2. Okay, teacher. Every time you say when it is power 2 in the numerator, power 2 in the denominator, put in the calculator, look at any common number you are selling. Okay, let me give you one question. Just listen. One question I'll give you. Just listen. X square minus 3x minus 4 over 2x square plus x minus 1. Now go to the calculator. Mode 5, 3. The question is what? Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Okay. Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So vertical and horizontal asymptotes for this. Right. So if you go to the calculator, you will get this answer is 4 and minus 1. Getting? For this one, you will get half and minus 1. See here, there is a common number. If there is a common number, you should be very careful for vertical asymptotes. So let me find out clearly. Listen carefully. Vertical asymptotes. Before you go for vertical asymptotes, you have to do one step before that. What is that? When there is a common number in between numerator and denominator from the calculator, just write in factors form. For 4, you will write what? X minus 4. For minus 1, you will write what? X plus 1, right? For half, how you will write? 2x minus 1, right? This is half 2x minus 1. And then the next is what? So you will write what? If you, I told you, right? You have to come from the down. 2x, there is a plus here, so minus 1. And for this x minus 1, you will write x plus 1. So what you need to do, you cancel this common term. Now you write, make the denominator is equal to what? 0. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 1. So divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to what? 1 by 2. Clear? X is equal to what? 1 by 2. In this way you have to do it if there is a common number. But so far in all your exercise problem, there is no common number. 4 minus 1 minus half minus 2. And here also there is no common number. Here it is my half minus half and this is complex root. So you are not getting. So just I wanted to give one example with the common number. In case if this question is asked, you should be very careful. When I should use this one, teacher? When you have power 2 in the numerator and power 2 in the denominator, try this procedure. If there is a common number, cancel it and then find the vertical asymptote. Next we go for horizontal asymptotes. Okay, horizontal asymptotes. So let me find horizontal asymptotes. Okay, right. Yes, for horizontal asymptotes, what is the formula? You need to calculate the degree, right? So degree in the up and degree in the down, you have to see, right? So what is degree in the up? It is 2. And degree in the down is also 2. So this is what? Equal. Clear? This is what? Equal. When it is equal, you have to look into what? The rule. What is the rule? The rule is y is equal to leading coefficient in the numerator, that is in the up, divided by leading coefficient in the denominator, leading coefficient in the down. Okay, so what is your leading coefficient? Who is the leader? Who is the leader? Look here. He is the leader. What is the leading coefficient mu'amal? 1. Who is the leader? He is the leader. So it is 2 is the coefficient. So the answer is y equals 1 by 2. Clear everybody? Right. So this finishes your exercise number 4.1. Okay, Alhamdulillah, this is the end of this Math 001 video, which is module 4, right? So we have now completed over 400 videos together. I want to thank all of you for watching, supporting and learning with me. I will meet you in the next course, Math 002, inshallah. Make sure to follow the channel to get good marks and stay updated. You can also download the PDF notes from Google Drive here, okay? Every video is in the description box or in the first comment as a pinned comment. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and Allah will make it easy for you. Jazakallah khair for everything. East or West, Dr. Zahid Math YouTube channel is the best. Bye-bye to all of you.